Hello, this is Imran from Decode.com. Today we are going to see how to clone a Git repository using GUI based tool named as SourceTree. So whenever we are cloning a repository, we have two options to use. One is to use GUI based tool like SourceTree, and other is to use command line. I prefer both of them depending on the use cases. So if I need to make feature branches, a lot of merges and code reviews, I used to prefer using a GUI based tool. And if I have nothing special use cases, I just need to use push pull most of the times and basic git commands, then I prefer the command line. So it depends on how you like it. It is also easier for beginners and for starters and for the naive users to follow this GUI based approach. So now I am going to clone my repository from GitHub URL. So let's start that. I'm going to open my GitHub account. I will go to the repositories. I will fetch the most recent one because this is the active one that I am currently working on. I have two options to use HTTPS and clone with SSH. I will prefer SSH method. Copying it, paste it here. Now I am going to choose a destination path where this thing will reside on my local machine. I used to place my code folders inside workspace, and this is a Laravel project, so keep it inside Laravel folder. Open, name it as edu Prussian app. That's what the repository says. Anything in advanced options? Nothing. Just clone it. Already exists. Okay. Create a new folder, edu Prussian.app. Create, open, and clone. It will take a while, and after that we can easily work with it. So it is now ready. The next step that we are going to see is how we can create the feature branches.